Okay, it's Wednesday. It's May 14th. We got more rain on the way, just exactly what some people needed. We had rain down here, but it wasn't flooding rains. But I'm telling you, the creeks and the rivers down here are starting to get a little high. And like I said, I expect more rain, especially late Friday. We still have some showers going on out there, but as you can see up in the Poconos here in North Jersey, this is around 4 o'clock, and they still have some regular rain up there. There's a couple of bright spots that could be a little bit more than a shower, probably a little bit of moderate rain, but that'll move to the north. There's about 8 o'clock this evening. You can see some leftover showers there. There's a few showers out here in western PA, and then as we go through the nighttime hours. We got this little system in the south that's going to die out as it comes north. So that's one relief. And this takes you to Thursday morning around 7. And you can see there are a couple spotty showers through Jersey, down by Philly, maybe down here towards York. Just a little bit there. But these move north, and so it makes Thursday kind of one of those days, kind of a dreary kind of a day. And as we get to around 8 o'clock at night on Thursday, you can still see, if you look close enough, you can see a couple spotty drizzles. Central Jersey's got a little bit. Maybe up in a Pocono, you get maybe get a little heavier shower up there as it moves through. But again, it's not that great of a day and night. This is Friday night or Thursday night around midnight, and you can see there's that. And then there's this big mess to the west here. Here it is coming in over the lakes, over Erie, a very strong front here with a lot of heavy rain and thunderstorms ahead of it. This is Friday morning around 4 o'clock when it starts entering the state. Again, this is at night, so it makes it tough to hold together, but it does hold some strength. This is 7 o'clock in the morning. You're basically northern half of Pennsylvania from, say, Williamsport on up towards Elmira and then out towards Erie. You got showers, you got some thunderstorms, you got some heavy downpours. And then as we move this thing a little bit into the daylight, here's around 10 o'clock in the morning. You can see it's moved a little bit to the southeast, and there's some heavy bands in here. And like I said, it could be a thunderstorm involved on Friday. And as you can see, it continues to hold together. This takes you into the afternoon hours. This is around 1, 2 o'clock. You can see it's gone through Philly. It's now going through Jersey now. There's still a couple sprinkles and showers left behind as it goes through. And it just things keep happening. This is around 6 o'clock, and you have a couple showers, maybe even a thunderstorm up here heading into Wayne County up here. Overall, the rain that we're going to expect on top of what we've had. Here's your streak through here with the thunderstorm. It's really calling for some heavier amounts right between that 2 to 3 inches if the band holds together. Again, it's where it lines up, but that right now is where it lines up. Some of the higher tops in the Pocono area can get an inch or two of rain. The valleys, basically 3/4 to an inch. Out by Pittsburgh, depending on where those showers set up, you could get about a half an inch of rain. Philadelphia, you're right on the dividing line from getting like third of an inch to maybe a little over an inch. Delaware, you're kind of saved this time. South Jersey, you're saved. North Jersey, anywhere from a 1/4 inch to almost an inch up there. So varying amounts all over, but you can see wherever those thunderstorms line up, they are heavy, and so they will put some rain down. If we're looking for temperatures, this is above average. This is again above average normal in Pennsylvania for next week, at least up until the 20th. Will be a couple degrees, over normal. Jersey and Delaware, the same thing. Pretty much the whole eastern part of the United States will be a little bit above normal. But just in time for Memorial Day, we go below normal a few degrees. So we zigzag back and forth there. So it's pretty chilly right around the holidays. It will take you from Thursday of next week until the following Wednesday. So that takes you through the holiday period there. As we get into June early on, we will pretty be close to normal. I wouldn't even worry about this up here, but I think it's close to normal. And as you can see up here, that warmer water is starting to move its way to the north here. It was down here, now it's up to here. So it's now warming the shores of Maryland and down here. Virginia Beach is warming up, and eventually it'll get into Cape May and it'll work its way up and start warming up the waters. Okay, that's your forecast. Remember, you can go to www.weather-outlook.com. It's free. You can get local forecasts there and more. Right? Everybody, take it easy.